إِنَّ الْمُحِبَّ لِمَنْ يُحِبُّ مُطِيعُ. The one who loves obeys the one that they love. This is the basic definition of love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and how to earn the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in return. But there's one issue that needs to be discussed, which is we all disobey Allah at times. We all have moments of distance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We all commit sins. So what does that mean, and how do we weigh this concept of loving Allah, which is the weightiest claim? And by the way, the greatest testimony to the sweetness of faith. The Prophet ﷺ said the greatest sign of someone who tastes the sweetness of faith is what? That they love Allah and His Messenger ﷺ more than anything else. And so that love of Allah is not just something of the heart, a matter of the heart. It's a claim that has serious implications and is the greatest testimony to whether or not you're tasting the sweetness of faith. So when you have a direct correlation between love and obedience, and also the fact that we all disobey Allah, the question becomes, to what extent do we disobey Allah? How much do we disobey Allah? And at what point in our disobedience of Allah can we no longer even make the claim that we love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?